Welcome to Top Tip Thursday. I'm Dr. Simon, and for today's top tip, I'm going to talk about how to use partial credit in your online quizzes for students on Blackboard. I'll explain what partial credit is, why it's helpful, and how to set it up. So when giving an online quiz or exam for your students, you might want to include some questions worth more than 1 point. For example, this question from one of my online quizzes is a difficult one. Students will have to think very carefully to reach the right answer, which happens to be answer A, and I would want students who get the right answer to receive 4 points rather than just 1 point for this one because of their hard work. Now, answer B is almost right, but it's got one small mistake. And I wouldn't want students who choose option B to lose all 4 points, because that's a lot of points to lose. So I'd want to be able to give them partial credit. I'd want to be able to give students who choose option B, say, 3 out of the 4 points. And then for option C, which has got a few more mistakes, I'd want to be able to give them, say, 2 out of 4 points. And then for option D, which has got too many mistakes, I want them to have no points at all. So to do that, we need to allocate partial credit when setting up the question. This page is for creating and editing multiple choice questions. At the top, we have the question in this box. I've given the question for the students and the picture with the diagrams. Scrolling down, we see options, and one of the options is to allow partial credit. So I'll check that box. Scrolling down further, we come to the answers. Answer 1 was the correct answer, so I don't need to do anything for that. Answer 2, I wanted to give students 3 out of 4 points. Now there's this box for allocating partial credit, and I need to add in a percentage. 3 out of 4 points, that's 75% of the credit, so I just type in 75. For answer 3, I wanted to give 2 out of 4 points, which is 50% of the credit, so I just type in 50. And then for answer 4, I didn't want to give any points, so that's 0% of the credit. I can leave that as it is. Now all I need to do is hit submit, and the partial credit that I wanted to give is all set up. I hope you found today's top tip useful. For next week's top tip, I'd like to nominate Miss Stacey. That's all for me for now. Good luck setting up your online quizzes. Thank you.